Hello dear fans. How to get platinum. Platinum in mineralogy refers to native metals. So it was called by the Spanish conquistadors for its external resemblance to silver. Since platinum was almost impossible to process, it was not valued and cost less than silver. Therefore, she was nicknamed silver. This is how the name of this metal is translated from Spanish. It is necessary. Native platinum, aqua regia, or its components hydrochloric and nitric acid, ammonium chloride. Instructions. Step 1. Collect native platinum. It is found in gold mines. In Russia, it is mined at sulfide copper-nickel deposits. Individual grains of platinum are most often found. Small crystals will do as well. Nuggets are also found that reach several kilograms. Native platinum includes minerals containing iridium, iron, palladium, osmium, rhodium, sometimes copper, nickel, and gold. The most common of these is polyoxene metal. Step 2. Make a solution of aqua regia. Mix hydrochloric and nitric acid in a ratio of 1:3:6. At the time of preparation, the liquid has no color, but after a few seconds it turns yellow and then orange. It smells like chlorine and nitrogen oxides and is highly oxidizing. Step 3. Dip native platinum into aqua regia and stir with a glass rod until completely dissolved. The result is hydrochloric platinum acid H2.Cl6. Step 4. Add ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, to the solution. In this case, a precipitate will fall to the bottom, ammonium chloroplatinate, NH4. 2.Cl6. It was this method that was proposed in 1826 by the engineers Sobolewski and Lubarsky. Step 5. Wash the resulting precipitate and bake in air at 800 to 1000 degrees Celsius. In this case, the process of release of nitrogen, ammonia, chlorine and platinum occurs. 3 NH4 2.Cl6 equals 2N2 plus 2NH3 plus 18HCl plus 3 points. The gases escape, and you get the so-called sponge. It can be pressed, calcined and forged. Step 6. Purify the resulting platinum. Dissolve it again in aqua regia, precipitate ammonium chloroplatinate and calcine the residue. After that, the refined platinum can be smelted into ingots. Step 7. Arrange for a cheaper way to get pure platinum with high production volumes. Apply for this the method of the French scientists St. Clair Deville and Debreu. Build a limestone oven with a built-in hydrogen burner on top and an oxygen supply. When spongy platinum is calcined, all impurities iron, copper, silicon and others will pass into low-melting slags and are absorbed into the porous walls of the furnace. And pure platinum will be poured through a special chute into an ingot mold. Thanks for watching.